Want to know the secret to making videos that rack up millions of views? Here's a hint. It involves crazy hybrid animals and some mind-blowing AI tools. In today's video, I'm taking you step by step through the process of creating stunning hybrid animal videos that everyone will be talking about. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Step 1. Design your hybrid animal with Leonardo AI. First up, we'll use Leonardo AI, an amazing tool that lets you create realistic or fantastical images just by describing them. Imagine typing a zebra with butterfly wings and seeing it come to life on your screen. Leonardo AI can do that and more. Here's how to get started. Go to Leonardo.ai's website and sign up for free. It's super easy to set up and you don't need any prior experience. Once you're in, you'll see a text box where you can type in your ideas. For example, you could type a lion with bird wings, glowing eyes and a sunset background. In seconds, the AI generates a stunning image based on your description. Not happy with the first try? No worries. Leonardo.ai lets you tweak the colors, styles or details until it's perfect. Maybe you want the wings to look bigger or the background to be darker. Just adjust the settings and you're good to go. Once your hybrid animal looks just right, hit that download button to save it. This is going to be the start of your video. Step 2. Animate your creation with Runway Mill. Now that you've designed your hybrid animal, it's time to bring it to life with Runway Mill, a powerful AI tool for animations and video editing. This step is where your image transforms into a moving, breathing creature. First, head to Runway Mill's website and log in. Once you're in, upload the hybrid animal image you created with Leonardo.ai. This is the starting point for your animation. Next, use the built-in tools to add motion to your animal. For example, you can make your lion bird flap its wings or move its head. The interface is super user-friendly, so even if you're new to this, you'll get the hang of it quickly. Once your animation is perfect, export the video. Congratulations! You now have a hybrid animal video that's ready to go viral. Step 3. Make it viral. Creating the video is just the beginning. Now let's talk about how to share it so millions of people can see it. Start by uploading your video to platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Short videos with eye-catching visuals tend to perform really well on these platforms. Make sure to add trending hashtags like hybrid animals, AI creativity, or viral videos to get noticed. A catchy caption like "Meet the lion bird, ruler of the enchanted skies" will grab people's attention. Finally, share your video across multiple platforms to reach a wider audience. The more places you share, the higher your chances of going viral. And there you have it. That's how you create stunning hybrid animal videos using AI. From designing in Leonardo.ai to animating in Runway Mill, the whole process is fun and super easy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks. Comment below with your craziest hybrid animal idea. I might feature it in my next video. Thanks for watching and happy creating.